Mortgage Debt Relief Act. What does that mean to you? Well, a lot of you have asked the question of whether or not the Mortgage Debt Relief Act is going to be extended. And the likelihood is it will be extended. So what does this do? Again, the Mortgage Debt Relief Act essentially forgives the difference that could be potentially taxed in a short sale. So if you owe $300,000 on a property, on your balance, we're selling it, net proceeds are $150,000, there's $150,000 that's forgiven in the short sale. The lender will send you a 1099 after the end of the tax year, and without the Mortgage Debt Relief Act, owner-occupied individuals may be faced with a challenge regarding taxation. So that's a hot topic right now, and recently the Senate has been pushing an extension of this, and so right now they're looking at it. But one of the things that kind of caught my attention is how long they're extending it for. So in the past, I mean, this original law took effect in 2007, which was when it was passed, the Mortgage Debt Relief Act, and the thought and the hope was that it was going to be passed because there's still a lot of homeowners that are underwater out there, or at least, you know, Northern California, Sacramento region, there's still 47 to, or 50% over, and depending on which county you're in, homeowners who are underwater. And so that, I mean, there's still going to be more than a year's worth of short sales. Right now, most people are predicting somewhere up to 3 more years of short sales, depending on where we end up value-wise. And so right now, they're proposing to extend it only 1 year. So what does that mean to you? Well, if that's the case, and that they're only going to extend it on a year-by-year basis, then they're also thinking that at some point they're going to stop this. We were hoping that they might extend it another couple of years, at least 2 to 3 years. But the fact that they're only extending it, or at least proposing to extend it for a year, has me a little bit concerned about what's going to happen after 2013. So if anybody is on the fence considering a short sale, this bill is likely to be passed. It's just the fact that we're in a presidential election year, and it's probably not going to happen before the election. I'd be very shocked if it did, but it is likely it's going to happen after the election. But again, looks like it's only going to be extended for 1 year. So if you're on the fence and considering a short sale, let's have a consultation. I'd love to talk with you and see what your options are and see if this might be a good option for you. Again, Mark Peak with Keller Williams. Thank you.